Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog. After going to Kidzania, Tokyo, we're now heading to High Shrine, Ichiran, and lastly, Diversity Tokyo Plaza in Taiba. Hi guys! Still on day 5 of our Tokyo-Osaka trip, and we went nga earlier that day to Kidzania, Tokyo. So after namin sa Kidzania, Tokyo, pumunta muna kami sa High Shrine. Ito yung hindi namin napuntahan nung nagpunta kami sa Sensoji Temple kasi nga marami na kaming bitbit that time na napamili namin sa Donkey. Kaya naman we skipped this on that day. And now, we decided nga na isingit siya sa day na to since after today, Disneyland na kami for the next 2 days at wala na talaga kaming time to go here. Sayang kasi guys, if hindi namin siya mapupuntahan, we skip Kyoto na in our Osaka itinerary and hindi namin makikita si Fushimi Inari. Kaya naman itong High Shrine na yung chance namin makakita ng mga torii gates. From Kidzania, we rode the Yurakucho line kasi yun ang binibigay ni Google Maps. Pero guys, malayo yung nilakad namin, around 700 meters din. So kung ayaw nyo maglakad ng malayo, dapat dun kayo sa Akasaka Mitsuke Station bumaba para mas malapit ang lalakarin nyo. Akala ko dadaan kami sa loob ng temple kaya naman nagsuot muna ako ng leggings since naka-shorts nga lang ako nung nagpunta kami sa Kidzania. Again guys, temples are still places of worship, kaya naman, let's try to dress properly whenever we're trying to visit them. Sakto naman kasi paggabi na rin nung time na yan at medyo malamig pa talaga sa gabi in Tokyo nung nagpunta kami. Lalo na yung last stop namin for that day kasi yung last stop namin was in Daiba, which is nasa may tabing dagat na naman siya, kaya sobrang lamig talaga. So, eto na guys yung mga torii gates in Tokyo.
No picture.
As per Wikipedia, a torii is a traditional Japanese gate most commonly found at the entrance of or within a Shinto shrine, where it symbolically marks the transition from the mundane to the sacred and a spot where kami are welcomed and thought to travel through. Kami are the deities, divinity spirits, mythological, spiritual, or natural phenomena that are venerated in the Shinto religion. So after namin sa High Shrine and before kami nagpunta sa Daiba, nag-late lunch muna kami sa Ichiran Shimbashi since yun yung pinakamalapit na Ichiran kung nasaan kami at that time.
Tatlo ulit. Tuntok na English.
English already.
3. Sige, 3. Classic. Sige. Sige.
Base.
Okay.
Dash.
Dash. One by one, go.
So 60 would be our change.
Dali na, sige na.
Mas mura ba dito? Yung ganyan.
Ticket ko na. Go, go. Wala mo papel.
And then, after namin kumain sa Ichiran, that's when we went to Diversity Tokyo Plaza in Daiba. Nandito yung malaking unicorn Gundam at nakabili rin ulit si hubby ng Gundam niya dito. After this, umuwi na rin kami sa aming hotel. And for dinner, usually hindi na kami kumakain sa labas. What we do is we only buy na lang take-out food sa mga konbini and then we eat at our hotel room since takot din talaga kami na masaraduhan ng mga train kasi the train closes at 12 a.m. Kaya as much as possible, ayaw talaga naming mag-taxi kasi sobrang mahal ang taxi sa Japan. If tatanungin nyo naman guys kung saan itong Tokyo signage na to, malapit siya sa Tokyo Teleport Station.
Mommy,
Elevator?
mommy, the thing I learned from science of the sun.
Ano yan yung binild kong ganda? May pink na line. Oo, yan yung unicorn. Tama. Yan yung binild. That's the one we build.
Wow. What a coincidence.
Yeah. Diba? The one with the pink lines. Parang hindi. Maybe the lights will move, make it move. Ang ilaw. Okay, well, dito sila.
That's it for this video guys. Thanks again for watching and see you again on the next vlog.